Is your lawn thirsty, high maintenance, and kind of boring for pollinators? What if, instead of just a patch of grass, your yard could be buzzing with bees and save you time, money, and water? Today I'm going to show you 10 lawn alternatives that are low water, low maintenance, and full of life. Lawns have been the classic choice for many decades. Have you ever stopped to wonder if all that green grass is really best for your space? Traditional lawns demand a lot: constant watering, mowing, fertilizing, and sometimes even pesticides, just to look their best. And during hot summers or droughts, your grass can turn brown almost overnight, no matter how much you water it. On top of that, lawns provide very little habitat for pollinators and don't support biodiversity your garden needs to truly thrive. That's why incorporating lawn alternatives, even in small sections, can save water, reduce maintenance, lower costs, and invite more pollinators into your garden. These options don't have to stand alone. In fact, mixing two or more can give your yard more color, texture, and seasonal interest. Eco-friendly lawn alternatives can bring more texture, life, and is better for the planet. More and more gardeners are joining the no-mow pollinator garden trends, blending eco-friendly options into their gardens, sometimes replacing turf entirely, sometimes mixing these alternative blends with grass for an entirely different textured look. So let's dive into 10 lawn alternatives that are not only beautiful but bee-friendly. First up, clover. This little superstar stays naturally green during dry spells, even when regular grass turns brown. As a nitrogen fixer, clover enriches the soil, meaning you'll need fewer fertilizers. It's soft and low-growing, making it comfortable to walk on. Plus, its tiny white or pink blooms attract bees and butterflies. Best of all, clover needs very little mowing, sometimes just a couple of trims per season. If you want to transform your yard into a vibrant meadow, try a wildflower blend. These mixes include flowers like coreopsis, black-eyed Susan, and native asters, bringing a rainbow of seasonal colors. Wildflower lawns use way less water than traditional grass, and they're buzzing with life. Bees, butterflies, and even hummingbirds love them. Just pick a mix suitable for your region and enjoy a constantly changing display with minimal care. Wildflower gardens are buzzing with life, and if you love seeing pollinators thrive, make sure you subscribe so more gardeners can discover these tips too. For sunny spots, creeping thyme is a fragrant, low-growing option that thrives in poor soil and barely needs any mowing. Its purple blooms in late spring and summer attracts pollinators and adds a lovely pop of color. It's also quite durable. It's perfect for light foot traffic and pathways. Do you have hot, dry areas and tricky slopes? Drought-tolerant ground covers like sedum or ice plant are lifesavers. These succulent-style plants store water in their leaves, making them very low maintenance. They create textured carpet with seasonal blooms, keeping your yard green and colorful without constant watering. If your lawn struggles in shady, damp spots, moss might be right for you. It's evergreen, soft underfoot, and totally no-mow. Moss thrives where grass fails, helping retain moisture and creates a peaceful woodland vibe. Plus, it naturally filters rainwater and looks beautiful in darker corners of your yard. Visit us at Wildwood Outdoor Living for more ideas and expert advice. You can even shop online. Check the link below. Another option is to replace large lawn areas with ornamental grasses. Varieties like blue fescue, carex, and little blue stem offer year-round texture and sway beautifully in the breeze. They need minimal water once established and almost no mowing, giving your garden a natural meadow-style look. You can even turn your garden into a productive landscape with edible ground covers. Creeping herbs like oregano, thyme, and rosemary create fragrant, pollinator-friendly mats. You can even grow low-growing strawberries. They add a seasonal color and a sweet harvest. Edible lawns aren't just functional. They're sustainable, they bring life and flavor to your garden. One of the most eco-friendly lawn alternatives is a native plant garden. Native perennials, grasses, and shrubs are naturally adapted to your local climate, so they need much less water, fertilizer, and maintenance than a traditional lawn. They also create a thriving habitat for bees, butterflies, and birds, perfect for a pollinator-friendly yard. Once established, native plants are incredibly resilient with heat and drought, while also boosting local biodiversity. Perfect for slopes, dry spots, or areas with poor soil, rock gardens combine hardy, drought-tolerant plants with stones of different sizes. They provide structure, visual interest, and habitat for beneficial insects. Plus, they're virtually maintenance-free once established. A gravel garden uses layers of gravel as mulch to lock in moisture, suppress weeds, and create a clean, modern aesthetic. It works beautifully with Mediterranean plants, ornamental grasses, and succulents. Best of all, it's incredibly water efficient and low maintenance. Incorporating lawn alternatives into your yard is easier than you think, whether you're starting small or going for a full transformation. Start by clearing small patches of grass instead of tackling your entire yard all at once. Prepare the soil well and add compost to help the roots grow strong. Water regularly for the first few weeks, then cut back as plants establish. And make sure you skip the pesticides. They harm bees and other beneficial insects. Ready to transform your yard? Which of these lawn alternatives will you try first? And if you have your own ideas, share them in the comments to inspire more gardeners. Make sure you subscribe for more tips to save water and help pollinators thrive.